Hello, I'm Patrick Jamison, and in this video, I'm going to install the fixed window 238. I'm going to go through the process of removing the sash, installing the main frame, and replacing the sash back into the frame. The first step is to remove the sash from the main frame. You'll notice that there's two screws around the perimeter of the frame, one with a plastic ring, one without. We're going to remove all the screws without the plastic ring first. I'm now ready to dry fit my main frame. I've dry fitted the frame. I'm ready to apply sealant to the flange or to the buck and precast sill. For best practices, apply sealant to all three. The sealant has been applied. I can now set my main frame into the opening. Following the product approval, use the appropriate fasteners to anchor your frame into your substrate. Use shims at every fastener location when needed. These are going to support the frame as well as keeping it square, level, and plumb. After anchoring a few fasteners in, always double check your frame to ensure it's still level, square, and plumb. When anchoring your sill, drill through the pre-punched holes of the frame into your precast sill. Get all that concrete dust out. Fill the cavity with sealant. You can even run your fastener through the tube of sealant and anchor your sill down. After inspection, top off each head with sealant. The next step is going to require two people. The first person is going to take the sash from the outside and set into the main frame. The second person is going to use those same screws and assemble the frame to the sash. I started attaching the sash to the frame using the same screws I removed earlier. Continue replacing all the screws back into the frame, holding the sash, and for best practices, use a Phillips screwdriver to prevent damage to the frame. The sash has been attached to the main frame. I can now apply the appropriate sealant to the exterior perimeter of the main frame. The last step is to add your screw covers. You have 4 screw covers that are miter cut. This beveled edge is going to face your wall. We'll start at the bottom, line it up with the corner of the frame, and then applying pressure will snap it onto the plastic components. Follow the same process, snapping in the remaining covers. To recap, I've now installed the fixed 238 window. I'm Patrick Jamison, and thanks for watching.